In a momentous launch to honor the forthcoming coronation of the revered soun of Ogbomosho land, Oba Afọlábí Olaoye, orumogege III, a vibrant burst of anticipation filled the air as the commencement of the coronation activities set the tone for a week-long celebration. The ceremonial extravaganza, slated from December 14th to the 19th in the year 2023, initiated its journey yesterday with a heartening display of community upliftment through the allocation of an empowering 150 million worth of economic empowerment tools. The journey to this grand juncture was not without its trials. In a testament to Oyo State's devotion to tradition and adherence to due process, Governor Engineer Oluseyi Abiodun Makinde ratified the earlier report submitted by the esteemed kingmakers, By Oba Afọlábí Olaoye, as the rightful heir to the throne. However, the path to this significant moment encountered legal roadblocks at the Ogbomosho High Court. Despite the orders, the unwavering spirit of the coronation preserved, finding resolute support in the Oyo State High Court, which decisively upheld the sanctity of the selection process. This pivotal ruling, granting the motion of stay of execution, fortifies the legitimacy of Oba Afọlábí Olaoye, orumogege III's ascension. The palpable excitement of this historic occasion resonated as the populace of Ogbomosho experienced a wave of empowerment. The generous distribution encompassed an array of invaluable assets, including